Tan'eem from Bangladesh.
Salam alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
So my question is, can I make dua in my own language between the two prostrations and in the last sitting after sending salutation upon our Prophet?
As between the two prostrations, some scholars say that this is a place for dua. And the most authentic opinion is that it is not. It is a place for dhikr that was prescribed by the Prophet ﷺ to say, Rabbi ghfirli, Rabbi ghfirli, Rabbi ghfirli, repeating it, or Rabbi ghfirli, warhamni, wa'afini, wajburni, wahdini, and the likes. But not to say, Rabbi ghfirli wali waliday, warhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhab an-nar. This is not authentic because this is not a place of dua. As for before the salam and after the salutation of Ibrahim, the answer is yes. You can make dua, whether in Arabic, if you know how to make it in Arabic, and if you don't, you can make your dua in your own native language, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Sundus from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
So I'm going to make this as understandable as possible. So my friend, her mother, like the side of her mother, they're Shia. So she told me that they're like not the kind of Shia that curse Aisha radiallahu anha, that say the Qur'an is not complete or something like that. She says that her mother told her that she follows Ahlul Bayt, and that in Salat it's a little different. Like after the third, like in the third rak'ah and the fourth rak'ah, after Surah Al-Fatiha, they say tasbih. So my question actually is, my friend was talking about how like the southern part of Lebanon is being like bombarded there, and her mother is like obviously crying and really upset, and my friend is also upset for her mother. So my question is, if I'm like supporting my friend or sympathizing with her or being there with her, is this like wrong of me? Because I'm afraid that this would count as me being an ally to the Shia and also like being a major sin, or maybe pushing to kufr, or I'm not sure. That's why I'm asking.
We've said this before many times. Shia are categories and levels. And the level you've mentioned, which is that they don't curse Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and the rest of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. They don't slander Mother Aisha. They don't say that the Qur'an is distorted and it's missing few chapters here and there, missing few verses here and there, all fabricated stuff from their heads, stating that it has been changed. As the people of Iran, the regime of Iran thinks and believes, and this is in their literature, we have it in our bookshelves, we have it in our libraries, and they've stated it in their lectures that the book of Allah is distorted and changed. They've said this, and they have books, and their imams who are in Qum and Mashhad and the rest of the places, that innovated places they have, and their shrines, they believe in these things and they consider them to be imams. Now the rest, like the ones you've mentioned, they're Muslims. They're our brothers and sisters. We sympathize with them, we support them, we are with them, our hearts are with them, because they're Muslims. Definitely nobody approves of what's happening, of shelling and killing civilians anywhere in the world, let alone in Lebanon or here or there. So yes, there is no problem in supporting your friend, inshallah.